Hello, welcome to SharkJets. I'm SkidViz. If you're like me, you like to add tools to your game maker's toolkit by checking out Mark Brown's YouTube channel by the same name. And if you're still like me, you find yourself going back there time and time again for certain videos while you're working on your game. But what if GMTK could come to you? If you're like me yet even more, you use Claude Code to help you ship code even faster. And if you're not using Claude Code,
Why? Why exactly?
then maybe this plugin I made is just the push you need. Let's check it out. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get into it. All right, to show off the plugin, I'm going to be using an open source Unity game I found on GitHub. It's called Air Hockey. The link to this will be in the description. But as you can see, if I ls in here to list the files, it's just a normal Unity project. So to get into this, we'll have to get into Claude from here. So I'm in the folder with the game in it. And then I'll just type in Claude. Claude will ask me if I want to trust this folder. I'll say yes. All right, now to install the plugin, you'll have to type in a certain command here. I'm just going to paste it. I'll have the link to the GitHub repo in the description, which will also have the installation instructions. But basically, you plug in, you /plugin marketplace add SharkJets Claude plugins. This will install all of my plugins. There's only one there right now. And then you have to install the specific plugin. And I'll just paste that. It's /plugin install gamedev-mentor at SharkJets. And then it asks you if you want to install it just for you or for everyone. I'm just going to say just for you. And as you can see right there, it says restart Claude to load new plugins. So it doesn't see it until you actually back out of Claude Code and then get back into it. So I'll just hit Control-Z twice and then go back into Claude. So now that we're back in Claude, you can type in the / and you'll see all the different plugins that you have installed. We're looking for Mentor. So if you type in MEN, you'll see there's Mentor Review and Mentor Consult. Mentor Consult is going to not need to see any code. It's just going to ask you a whole bunch of questions about what kind of game you want to make and what you're trying to get out of it. And then it'll give you guidance that way. But if you wanted to look at code, which is what you want to do right here in this video, is you pick the review one, which is that first one there, mentor / review. And then it will go through your code and compare it against a lot of the different GMTK insights. So we'll just let this run. It should take a few minutes. All right, here we are. We're back. It took 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go through the entire code base, and it came back with quite a lot to deal with. So right here, you can see it read the code base. Here's its audit. Gives you information about the project, what language it's in, what engine you're using, that kind of stuff. It compares it against 5 GMTK domains: AI behavior, combat field, player incentives, engagement and pacing, and puzzle design. It saw that AI and puzzle design did not apply to this project. And then it comes back with an executive summary telling you, based on the different domains, things that you can fix, things it thinks are important to deal with versus nice to haves. So let's go down the list real quick. We've got game feel. Critical is there's no visual feedback on the pucks. Critical, there's no celebration visuals. And then notable is the audio source might be broken. And then we keep going down the list here. We've got player incentives, notable, score display lacks emphasis, notable, no persistent stats. It tells you why it matters for all of this. It tells you what's happening. It gives you a suggested fix. Tells you the critical level, minor, notable, critical. Keep going down the list. We've got engagement and pacing, critical. There's no tutorial or onboarding. How to fix it, why it matters. No single player mode. Post-goal ceremony is long and unskippable. Things like that. Additional code issues. It found a typo. When there's a tie, it's supposed to say it's a tie, but instead they just have it with 2 apostrophes. Again, suggests how to fix it. Some recommended next steps. And then the plugin has additional skills for each one of those domains. So it's telling you, based on this, if you want to dig deeper into any of these areas in particular, you could type in /gamedev-mentor :combat-design, and that'll focus just on combat or AI or ethical engagement or any of the different skills that it has. And so in 2 minutes, it gave you just a whole bunch of stuff that you could deal with to make your game just a little bit better so that it has a better chance of succeeding. And there you have it, quick and easy as usual. If you found this video or the plugin useful, hit the like and subscribe button to let me know you're there. Until next time, I'm still SquidViz. Peace out.